Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Blurry on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve Blurry on Roblox, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox. You will enter here. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. You can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.